What is going on, YouTube? How is it going? We are back today with another video, finally, as you can see by the thumbnail and what is here in front of me on the ground. And the other thing right here, we have the new bike, which I posted a couple of shorts you guys may have seen. But yeah, this is the new bike. We got a 2024 MT07. So first I'm going to take the header bolts off. Probably best to just take the shield off. All I need there. I'm using a line wrench. So this is an awkwardly small option. We're gonna tuck that up somewhere just so I don't step on it or anything. So we got our front bolts off, front oxygen sensor. And I'm just able to reach it. I might have to take this right side rear set off. Just like that. We got our stock unit off, guys. It's honestly insane how big this muffler is. So first I'm going to start by just mounting this header. I don't know how I feel about that, but as you just saw, I had to stretch it a little bit. Maybe in shipping they just kind of get a little tightened down, I don't know. So I am just snugging up my bolts. I'm not going to tighten everything in until I have the whole unit installed here. So, I'm gonna hit those. Exhaust leaks. I just quickly put my hands around all the manifolds, bolts, and the muffler. Just make sure no air leaks. And there's no air leaks, so that is a free project. Honestly, overall, not the hardest one I've done, but has some quirks to it.